Hey there, travel enthusiasts, ready to level up your travel game? Today I'm bringing you the top travel gadgets you just can't miss. First up, the portable charger. Ever been in the middle of nowhere with a dead phone? Yeah, not fun. A good portable charger means you'll always have juice for your devices. Plus, many come with multiple USB ports, so you can charge all your things at once. Next, let's talk packing cubes. These little beauties are a game changer. They keep your clothes organized, save space in your luggage, and make packing and unpacking a breeze. Seriously, once you try them, you'll never go back. Another must have a travel pillow. Long flights and car rides can be brutal. A comfy travel pillow can make a world of difference. Look for one that offers great neck support, and you'll arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. Don't forget a universal travel adapter. Different countries, different plugs. With a universal adapter, you'll be ready to power up wherever you go. It's a small investment for a huge convenience. And lastly, a compact water purifier. Clean drinking water isn't always guaranteed. With a portable water purifier, you can ensure you stay hydrated and healthy on your adventures. So those are my top travel gadgets you can't miss. Did I leave out your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and tricks. Happy travels.